Dan, the Marketing Man Moskal here, and we're looking at step 4 in our system to writing your book, and this is our outline. We mentioned here in this last video we came up with our plan, and now we're really going to just dig in and get this meat and get it all out of our head and onto paper, and then we're going to worry about all the style and the formatting and stuff later, and breaking this down into really chapters for the most part right here. This is looking at the Google Keyword Planner tool, but it can give you an idea of what people are looking for, motivation in the workplace, what is motivation, and this isn't the best, but inspiration, positive quotes, motivating people, and some of these things will help give you some ideas. One idea that came to our mind was something about, talking about leadership, and it's important to take note here, don't overthink this stuff. So let me go ahead and just show you my outline as of right now, and don't be reluctant to keep working on it, and ultimately you have to just go with it. So with this example especially, but I think this is probably with every book, you can see here, this is the first section of our book. We're going to talk about some of these things. You have to do something. It's not just about thinking in order to get what you want, about how action precedes motivation, and personal development usually precedes income and action and all this stuff, goals, being magnets, living in the truth. And then this is our second section over here, breaking free of the idea of fairness. And another thing we want to mention, this is really kind of like a working outline, like all this stuff. We have to stay flexible, but we have to follow our plan and get this stuff done. And part of that's just writing. You got to just roll up your sleeves and do it, and do what's uncomfortable. Really, we're working for passive income. And Dan Kennedy, you got to see this. He's a slightly, we'll say a fluffy, middle-aged gentleman, balding, glasses. I have glasses and all this stuff, but anyways, he does a little shimmy, if you want to say it, for his passive, even the small checks he says from Amazon, and he does his little shimmy, and I want you to be doing that little shimmy too here, so stay with us. But get a outline, break it up into little sections. We're just going to knock off each one of these little blocks, and some of them will combine. We're going to change this around slightly, but for the most part it's going to follow something along these lines, and we're going to put our own spin. It's important to put yourself in your book too. You can talk about other people, like a lot of our great teachers, Jim Rohn, Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, Zig Ziglar, Jack Canfield, and W. Clement Stone. I mean, endless others. Dan Kennedy, of course, endless others. Perry Marshall, Ken McCarthy, endless others. But you got to put your own spin on it. You got to put your own self into it. Like, I don't even want to get into that, but don't copy other people by any means, and put your own personality into stuff, and inject your own personal stories. And we all live in an interesting world, so check out the next video here, but get started. We'll talk briefly here. I'm going to make a video about writer's block and how to overcome this, and then after that we're going to look at I'll have this stuff done, so get busy on yours, please. This is Dan Moskal. Please visit danmoskaluniversity.com, sign up, grab our free report, and stay along with the process and get that passive income cranking in. It's cool. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a terrific afternoon. Please leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and we'll talk soon.